Artificial intelligence is technologies that let machines do things that require thinking. It is a hard term to define because AI isn't actually one thing. Rather, it is a group of technologies that help machines acquire, understand, and use information to perform tasks. The range of technologies is one of the reasons people use so many different terms to describe AI. In addition to Ar- artificial intelligence, terms like machine learning, cognitive computing, and deep learning are common. No matter which term is used, recent development, recent development, developments, developments, recent developments has received a lot of media attention. Some have welcomed the technologies because things that AI makes possible. For instance, AI will have a big impact on areas like medicine and engineering, but attempt has also produced a lot of fear and caution and caution caution. In particular, many are considered about effects AI could have on people's jobs. Unfortunately, the media excitement is often a distraction that causes people to miss an important point. Since AI isn't just a thing, we ain't waiting for it to be invented. Rather, the technology is undergoing a long development process. AI isn't coming, it's already here. AI isn't coming, it's already here. Undergoing, undergoing. The school is undergoing a lot of changes. Enhanced. He will use his newly enhanced skill to win. Distraction. My phone is a distraction while I was walking. My phone is an attraction when I was walking. My phone is an attraction. Is a My phone is a distraction when I was walking. Productively, productively, productively. The library is a good place to study productively. Doom and gloom. The story isn't all doom and gloom. One can also see hope. We are living in a world controlled by computers, yet, but we are living in a world that relies more and more on AI for enhanced efficiency. These technologies can already be found in a number of surprising places. Newspaper, design companies, film studios, and law firms all are making use of technologies. Often the technologies is used to make heavy lifting repetitive repetitive tasks so that professionals can work more productively. Admittedly, 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 the tasks AI does are often the things done by lower or entry-level employees. But that hasn't necessarily spelled doom and gloom for human workers. In recent years, for example, AI-driven translation has dramatically increased in the amount of material a human translator can process each day, but the easy avail- available availability, but the but easy availability, but the easy availability of translation has also led to an increased need for translator. As a result, the industry and its human translators often struggle to keep up with demand. There is no doubt that AI is changing how we live and work in very complex ways. In very complex ways. That makes AI an important trend to watch, but not a panic about yet.